Welcome to IME, Industrial Metal Enterprises. In this video, we're going to show you how we build custom flights and augers that meet your needs.
So that's our flight blank that we'll start with. We'll go ahead and get it in our machine and turn it around. Okay, so that's our finished product. That's a full sectional flight. The thing that we're going to check is the ID. So now, because this is a unique size, I had to go scrounge around to find a shaft that was 4 1/4 inches OD. And so we'll check this by just placing our flight onto that shaft. What we're looking at here is just to make sure that we've got a good tight fit all the way around the shaft here on our flight. Let's set that flight up there to where it's pretty well balanced, and then we're going to check it with our tape measure. About right there. So that's telling us there that we're right around 9 3/4. So that's where we want to be on our flight. Any amount of gap or space that we've got there kind of tells us it's formed incorrectly. So now that we can see we've got no gaps there on our ID, and we checked our OD to make sure it's correct. So that's a good flight.